Save, Save As, and Revert. After completing your work, you have to save your file somewhere in your system for future reference. Although our file is being saved automatically as a backup file in the system by CorelDRAW X3. Here, the use of Save, Save As, and Revert will come in handy. Let's see all one by one. First, let's take Save. Save, as the name suggests, is used for saving any work done in the system for future use. The keyboard shortcut for save is Ctrl+S. Draw a house on a drawing page, like this. Now, how do you save it in the system? There are many ways to save your work. The first way is, go to the File menu, click on Save. As you click on Save, Save Drawing window is visible. Now, in this window, as you can see, here is Save In, where when you click on this down arrow, you will see a complete list, so that you can easily choose the proper location to save your work. Here is the file name, where you can give a name to your work. Give the name as House. Now here is Save As type list, which gives you a whole list of file formats in which you can save your work. Now let's keep the format as CDR. OK, before clicking Save, here is the new feature added to CorelDRAW X3, that is, Version. You can choose a specific CorelDRAW version for your work. Here we will keep version as 13 itself. You can also choose the preview size from this list. Now click Save. As you click Save, your work is being saved to the respective place. You can check this from the title bar. See here the title bar is showing the full path of the work. Another way to save your work is Standard Toolbar. This is the Save Button tool. Just click it after completing your work and follow the same procedure as told previously. Now we will see what Save As. In fact, it's similar to Save, but if you want to save the same work which you have already saved, either with a different name or with a different format, then you will use Save As. The keyboard shortcut for Save As is Ctrl+Shift+S. Let's see how this works. If you remember, we saved our work with the name house.cdr. Now if you want to save the same file with a different name, say My House, and with a different format, say .ai, Adobe Illustrator, then go to File and choose Save As from the File menu. Now the same file is saved as myhouse.ai. Let's check what Revert is. To understand Revert, just suppose you have saved your work, but still you're working in the same file, and you've found that whatever you have done is wrong and want to go back to the position where you have saved your work. Then for this, we will use Revert. OK, let's take an example here. Here is our file. Now we can make some changes. In case we are not satisfied with these changes, we can go back to the point where we started. For this, go to the File menu and click Revert. As you click, immediately one CorelDRAW warning window will appear asking you whether you want to revert to the last version and lose all current changes. Click OK. See, all the things are gone. Only the last saved work is visible. So, at the end of this chapter, I hope you are now able to save your masterpiece work safely in your system with the name and format of your choice.